Hello everybody. I thought I would give you a sneak peek of the brooders, what's in the brooders right now. What babies are currently in hand feeding. These are my brooders. They're getting full. Things are getting busy. It's going to be a very active season for hand-fed babies. There are 4 brooders. This is pretty much a temporary setup. Just trying out new things with insulation, placement, setup. Seems to be working so far, but I will be rebuilding it yet again pretty soon. Let's see what's in. The first brooder is the big show, the Budgies. A lot of budgies in here, about 17 baby budgies in various ages. These are all a little older. I'd say 4 weeks starting to 6 weeks. About 17 in total here. They have been coming out for lap time, shoulder time. A couple have even made their first tentative flights around the room with various amounts of success. They're still learning. They're not hungry, don't worry. They're just a little noisy, but they have just been fed. They eat a lot, and they like to eat. Some of them will be ready starting in about 2 weeks. Always fun, the Budgies. Second brooder is mostly the younger babies. We have all kinds in here. Right in back, we have some Suncheek Conures. They are all quite young, still in their first week or so of hand feeding. They've just been pulled, making a little noise. The smallest one there, a little younger than I usually like to pull the Conures, but I don't like to split up a clutch. If I pull one, I pull 2. I want to pull them all, just so the parents don't get too freaked out and decide to give up on the smallest. Next up we have some lineated parakeets. Not sure on colors yet. This one could be a blue. I pulled these for hand feeding about a week ago. They're still a little drowsy from food. They're going to be nice. Next up we have a couple of little Budgies. Just pulled a couple of days ago. A surprise clutch. They're a little too small to go in with the bigger ones. I don't want them to get trampled. And here we have more cockatiels. These guys are always fun. They're always hungry. Always active. Pretty cute little guys. 5 more in here. Still fuzzy. And 1 parrotlet. He's a little older now. He's already been coming out for lap time, shoulder time. Pretty soon he'll be flying around with the rest of them. Only one in this clutch is from a newer pair. Laid 2 eggs. 1 hatched out. I'm sure there'll be more in the next clutch next year. The third brooder are the idiots. More cockatiels. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 in here. They've just been fed. They're already coming out for their shoulder time, lap time. Most of them. They're much more active and friendly when you don't have a camera pointed at them. And these should start being ready about 4 more weeks. These guys eat like crazy. They eat a lot. They eat often. They're always hungry. And the 4th brooder is just kept empty. I always try to keep 1 brooder empty just for emergencies. They make for a very good hospital cage if I ever need one. And those are the babies. There are more babies in the nest. We have more budgies in the nest, lovebirds, and sun conures and pineapple conures. They will be pulled for hand feeding sometime over the next week. Alrighty, that is what's in the brooders. That is what's coming up. I'll be making a video shortly on how I set up my brooders, how I build them, how I control temperatures, and do it for a lot less in cost than the commercially available brooders. And I've used the commercially available brooders. They are expensive. They are not. They work, but they're a little difficult to use, hard to clean, and not really meant for parrots. Alrighty, I'll see you next time.